Brothers and sisters, let's now start our lesson, inshallah. I also hope, brothers and sisters, you did a lot of conjugation. Conjugation of weak verbs is extremely important to make you strong. Do not shy away from doing conjugation. Okay. So before we go to the lesson, there is one page, Aqsamul Fi'li, kinds of verb. Let's do it quickly, brother. Aqsamul Fi'li. Al-Fi'l, then it is Al-Ma'adi, Al-Mudari'a Marfu, Al-Mudari'a Marsu, Al-Mudari'a Majzum, and Amar. Okay. As-Salimu. What is the meaning of Salimu? In which there is no waw, ya, or even hamza, or even the ain and lam are not double. Okay, mudaf. Okay, kataba, yaktubu, lan yaktuba, lam yaktub, uktub. Now we understand this. But this is why this page you can just swallow it, like a pan sopari. You can just swallow it. Okay. Al-Mahmuz means there is a Hamza. Now Hamza can come on a Fa kalima or Ay kalima or Lam kalima. And they say Mahmuzul Fa'i. What will they say? Mahmuzul Fa'i means there is a Hamza on Fa, or Mahmuzul Aini. Mahmuz. It comes from Hamza, Mahmuz. Okay. Or you can say Mahmuzul Lami. Okay. Fine. Akala, it is Mahmuzul Fa'i. Where is the Hamza? On Fa kalima. Akala, Yakulu, Lan Yakula, and then Lam Yakul, and Amar is Kul. This is modified form, brother. Sa'ala, this is Mahmuzun Aini. Yas'alun, Lan Yas'ala, and then Lam Yas'al, and Is'al. Now comes Kara'a. This is Mahmuzul Lami. Okay, third radical is Hamza. Qara'a, yakra'u, lan yakra'a, lam yakra', and then ikra. Fine. Now comes mudaf. Now look at this very carefully, brother. Adda ya'uddu. What bab is this? Bab nasara. Okay. So in other words, adda is adada. Okay. Lan ya'udda. Now lan ya'udda fi'lun mudari'un mansubun bi fatati. Bil fatah. Straight away bil fatah. Fine. And lam ya'udda fi'lun mudari'un majzumun bi sukunil mukaddara. Mashallah. Fine. And then udda, same. Fi'lu amrin mabniun ala sukun al mukaddara. Very good. Shamma. Okay, brother. What is shamma? What is madi? Shamima. Sister Shamim. Always remember that. Shamima, it is Bab Samia. Yashammu, Lan Yashamma, Lam Yashamma, same way you will describe Majzoom form. And Shamma. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? I will say one more time. Lam Yashamma, Fi'lun Mudari'un Majzoomun Bil Sukunil Muqaddar. And Shamma, Fi'lu Amrin Mabniun ala Sukunil Muqaddar. Fine. Nan Chadda. What is the Madi? Jadada. Man jadda wajada. Remember? Man jadda, one who struggles, one who strives. So jadda is jadada. And what happens to yajiddu? Bab daraba. What is it? Bab daraba. Okay. Lan yajidda, lam yajidda, and then jidda. Okay. Same way we will describe it, brother. Now comes Motalul Fa, the verb in which Fa kalima is either waw or ya. But in this book, Dr. Abdurrahim is teaching us only al-mithal al-wawi. He is not touching us misal al-ya'i, because misal al-ya'i behaves like a salim verb. It does not undergo any change. Misal undergoes a change when it goes into mudari, and we drop the waw. But not in all cases. In certain cases, the waw is dropped, and in certain cases, the waw is retained. Later on, inshallah, when we study the Quran in detail, we will come across misal al-wawi, in which waw did not get dropped. And we will just keep that in our mind. But the common verbs that we dealt in this book, brothers and sisters, in them the waw is dropped. Dr. Saab did not bring anything which was different. And all the verbs that we studied in Mithal, the waw is dropped in Mudariya. Fine, brothers and sisters. What is it? Wakafa. Yakifu. Instead of yaukifu, yakifu. Lan yakifa. This is all easy, brother. And kif. This is all very easy. Then, Mu'tallul Ain. Okay? Now, in this wawi and yai, Kala is ajwaf al-wawi. Okay? Mu'tallul Aini is called ajwaf. Mu'tallul Fa'i is called misad. You know that, Kala yakulu. This is all easy, brother. I'm just going to go quickly over it. Ba'a yabiu, lan yabiya, lam yabi, and biya. Now this is al-ajwaf al-ya'i. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? I'm speeding up a little bit because we did it in such a great details, Nawa is navima. Bab samiya, yanamu. Okay? Yanvamu became yanam. Lan yanama, and then lam yanam, and then nam. Okay, inshallah. Right. Now comes our naqis, our favorite sessions. Okay. Masha yamshi, bab daraba. Masha, what is the root? Mashaya. Yamshi, what is yamshi? Yamshi you. Fi'lun mudariun maf'un bi dammatil muqaddara. Here our muqaddara business gets into full swing, Okay. And lam yamshiya. Remember? And then lamshi and imshi. Lam yamshi, fi'lun mudariun majzumun bi harfi illa. Imshi, fi'lu amrin mabniun ala harfi illa. Inshallah you'll remember. Now this is very important. Nasiya. Because nasiya becomes yansa. Now the ain kalima has a fatah in mudahariya. Now this requires our special attention. Otherwise, we can easily make mistakes, brother. If you can conjugate yansa for me, inshallah. Yansa, yansayani, yansawna. Tansa, tansayani, yansayna. Anta, tansa, tansayani, tansawna. Anti, tansayna. Tansayna. No more kasra, because fatah is compatible with ya. And then tansayani and antunna, again tansayna, and then ansa and nansa. Fine, brother. When you make it mansoob, it stays in the same form as mudariya. Now look at yamshi. Lan yamshiya. So we should have said lan yansaya. But no. Lam yansa. So how will you describe it? Fi'lun mudariun mansubun bil fatahatil muqaddar. Because ain kalima is a fatah, so the fatah doesn't come after that. Fine. And lam yansa is hazfu harfi illa, and insa is also hazfu harfi illa. Now naha is same thing. Nasiya is bab samiya, and naha is bab fatah. Naha yanha, which is actually yanhayu. Fataha yaftahu. Nahaya yanhayu. Yanha. Fi'lun mudariun marfu'un bid-dammatil muqaddara. Very good. And then same way, lan yanha, same like mudariya. But because of lan, we will say fi'lun mudariun mansubun bil fatahatil muqaddara. MashaAllah. Alhamdulillah. And then lam yanha, and then inha. Now comes da'a. What is that alif telling us? The alif is telling us that I am wow. Alif maksura is telling us that I am ya. Alif maksura, the short alif. And mamduda tells us that I am wow. Da'a is da'awa. What is da'a telling us? Da'awa. Okay. And yada'u, which is actually yada'u. Okay. We have a sukoon here. So you will describe fi'lun mudari'un marfu'un bid-dammatil muqaddara. Lan yada'u wa. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? Lan yada'u wa. Okay. So yada'u wa, the fatah is zahir. I don't have to say anything else. Now comes lam yad'u. Fi'lun mudari'un majzumun bi harfi illa. Fine. And ud'u fi'lu amran mabniun ala harfi illa. Got the idea? Now we have two forms which have a special name. Al-lafif. When you have lafif, means there are two weak verbs in there coming together. And makrun means they are joined together. And mafruq means separate. Faraka. Mafruq is separate. Okay. So kawa, see, ain kalima is waw and lam kalima is ya. So two together they are coming. So they are makrun, connected, joined. Okay. Kawa yakwi, lan yakwi ya. Are you with me? Lam yakwi ya. And then lam yakwi and ikwi. Now waka. See, ain kalima is kaf. Fa and lam kalima are weak. A mafruq, they are separated. Okay. So waka yaki. Waka is nakis on one hand and it is misal on the other hand. So when you went into mudariya, the misal rule applied and waw was dropped. Waka, the mudariya is yaki, not yauki. Yaki. And what is actually yaki? Yaki you. Wajada, yadi, yajidu. So yaki you. So how will you define? Yaki, fi'lun mudari'un marfu'un bi damatil muqaddar. And then lan yaki ya. Fatah came. It is in front of us. No more muqaddar. And then lam yaki. Hasbihillah. And koi. Fi'lu amrin. Mabniun ala hazfi harfi illa. MashaAllah. Is it clear, brothers and sisters? I did little quickly, but because you are very strong, inshallah you understand.